It's amazing. Thank you, Henry. Such quick service.
Yes, please check the tap, how it works. So that's a cold water. That's a cold water here.
Is the hot the other way? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, well, this is the European one. So basically, just now we keep the hot water on the left. And then this is hot water. This is the hot water.
Jessica, come see Henry. Henry has fixed the tap. And it's a fancy one, look.
Yes.
And the water comes out.
And then if you press like that, so that's changed for sprayer. And then you can move this and then wash your pot as you wish.
Oh, wow. It's a springy tap. What do you think?
Good.
Good. It's very good.